meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
And it looks like this evening there still could be a couple of spotty showers, maybe a rumble of thunder drift through the area. 78 at 7 o'clock, 75 at 9 p.m., down to 73 at 11 p.m. And then tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, 69 degrees, mostly cloudy sky, partly sunny condition at noon, 78. And then we'll see the humidity levels, of course, elevated through the day. And that combined with the daytime heating may set off a couple of more thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon at 5 o'clock with temperatures into the mid-80s. Actually seeing some thin spots out there on the western horizon tonight. Our time lapse up at Troy at the Stouter Center there. Earlier, some visibility's knocked down as some of that rain was moving through as we go back in time. But right now, we're looking at least a drier weather pattern building into parts of the region. The clouds thinning out just a tad. Thicker clouds west of us producing that rain. And right now, we're looking at live Doppler 2 HD. A few light sprinkles up around St. Mary's and New Knoxville, over towards Waynesfield, and then some heavier rains out into the central parts of Indiana. And we've been watching a couple of showers bubbling up down into Butler and also Warren counties. And if that continues to hold together and drift northward, a little bit more rain could work its way through Montgomery County as we head through this evening. Now, because of the scattered nature of the rain, look at the totals here. 0.3 of an inch at Dayton International Airport, 0.3 in Kettering. William Nebus, his basement has flooding, and 2.8 inches of rain reported over in Fairborn, and even Vicky Sifke in New Carlisle, 0.7 of an inch, then dropping off to 0.3 of an inch in Sydney, and Amy Hoying up in the Fort Loramie area, just about 1/10 of an inch of rain today. Now, no severe weather today, but later Wednesday, especially going toward Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, a cold front arrives, could set off some stronger thunderstorms, so we may have some severe weather to watch then. Lows tonight, though, muggy, mid and upper 60s across our area. We were down to 66 degrees this morning, afternoon high at 86 degrees, normals at 83 and 63. Hazy out there with the humidity up, 75 degrees. The dew point is 72, giving us a 90% relative humidity. Makes it feel like 79 degrees out there tonight, so if you're doing some yard work, you'll quickly work up a sweat. Where we've seen the clouds a little thinner this afternoon, around 80 at Oxford and Eaton, but otherwise we're finding those temperatures have cooled off into the 70s because of the rain rolling through. Showers still a possibility, as I mentioned, as we go through this evening, then just a slight chance later on tonight. Tomorrow looks like we'll be dry in the morning, but then going into the afternoon, some more of those scattered showers and thunderstorms could pop up, about a 30% chance, and another warm and humid day expected across our region. Our forecast tonight, partly to mostly cloudy. It'll be muggy tonight. A shower or thunderstorm still a possibility, especially early tonight. Overnight low around 68 degrees. Tomorrow partly sunny, a warm, humid day. An afternoon shower or thunderstorm could bubble up. An afternoon high of 85 degrees. Sun up tomorrow morning at 6:51, 74 at 10 o'clock, 78 at noon. Then a little better chance some of that rain as we get up into the 80s. Obviously, if you're under a thunderstorm, you'll be a little cooler than that 84-degree temperature. Wednesday, 85, the high, but those showers and thunderstorms could really get going later in the day and into Wednesday night. Maybe a couple of leftover showers early Thursday with a high around 80. And then we're back to some nice weather, even Thursday afternoon with that 80-degree temperature nice, and then 83 and 58 on Friday. Getting a little warmer, though, as we go into the upcoming weekend.
Yeah, not seeing any 90s again on our...
No, it's the 90s have been few and far between this summer.
They're getting weeded out. Yeah. All right, Brian.